Beamish Dew Buddies, this is Fedder's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. I woke up this morning to do my work, came out and my truck had a flat tire. So I pumped it up quick. I was late. Everybody was pissed off at me, but whatever. So I stopped in at the old Roll Roadhouse, picked up my new tires that were there for a while. So no more plugs. I'm tired of dealing plugs and flats, and we're gonna sweat. We're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, but we're gonna change tires and we're gonna save a bunch of money doing it. I put quite a few miles on in a year, so I change tires twice a year normally. They usually only last 30,000 miles. So this is how I change tires. Works for me. So I've been doing it this way for years. I take my truck, that's the handyman jack, and I put it right inside of my flatbed. And I just jack up the truck. And it pops the bead off. Quick and easy. Flip it over. Don't worry about scratching it. The work truck. I tried them hammers, slide hammers, and I feel they're ineffective and inefficient. I feel this way is safer and just works. So when you get to the back side, this gets a little harder, but just jag it up. Stand on it if you have to. Gotta get the big ones. So just get it started. Pry it off. Well, lube don't hurt. Ooh. Lube helps for putting on and taking off. Now for the fun part. You need a hammer and a big tire iron. Put the thing in there. And you just get some leafage and a hammer. In 4 hands. There's you go. Bob's your amp. You need a little spray lube in a bottle. Come on. Just lube that tire up. There you jerk. You're supposed to start at mouse down. And a little jump on it, jump on it. That's when you fall in your face. And I use balance beads. I just put them in these little snack bags. It works. And I don't have to worry about balancing the tire. Throw it in there. A little more lube. You need about 5 hands. Just like that. Look at that. In my experience, the last time I paid someone to change tires on my truck, he charged me $160, and it was at a professional shop. He has a big tire machine. You know, he can easily do this job. And that was it. That's all it took. That was way too much to pay to have someone mount and balance tires. I get it. You got to keep a roof over your head, you know, clothes in your back and food in your belly. But do I have to support all that for you? I'm supposed to just support you a little bit. So that's when I made up my mind. I'm gonna do it myself. None of my vehicles, the van or the truck, have seen the inside of a garage besides my own for 3 or 4 years now. So that's what. Well, we just popped the valve core. Well, we just popped the valve core out of the last tire we got to do today. We're 3 hours in, but we had a couple visitors that took away from it. We had to do our chores, so we'll get there. We spent way too much time with the older couple that comes and gets eggs from us. I like talking to Richard. He's a fine, good man. So it put us a little behind, but what's the sense of having this beautiful spot on earth if you can't enjoy it with other people in life? So we'll get this last one done, and then we'll be done. Probably didn't even take an hour and a half to mount and balance 4 tires. So, you know, what's your time worth to you? Pay a garage, meh. I didn't have anything else to do. Yeah, I did. I had plenty to do, but 160 bucks can go a long way nowadays. So here we are. So we're gonna do the last one here, and I'm gonna clock it. I wanna see how fast I can do it. I'm not gonna hurry. I'm just gonna do it at my regular pace. I'm not gonna kill myself to get it done real fast. I just wanna see how long it takes me to do it. So we're gonna put this on time lapse. I'm gonna start a timer on my phone, and we're gonna see. Let's do it. There we go. 19 minutes and 57 seconds done. I'm sweating. It's hard work. But 160 bucks for 4 tires? Nah. Put that money in my pocket. Thank you. Okay. They weren't even on for 10 minutes. We're gonna go haul loads. I got a load of shavings to haul. At least I won't have to worry about flat tires anymore. Got to pump up the old airbags a little bit. There you have it. We put 100 miles on the truck today after we put the tires on. I think they'll be good. Got to test out their traction, see how long they last. I'll give a thumbs up or a thumbs down to the Mickeys. We'll see. But after supper, I'm gonna put brakes on the van. They're really close. They're dang near metal on metal, so we got to do it now. So this will finish out my night. See you, love you, bye. See you in the wash.